Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, and today I'm super excited to share a smoothie recipe. It claims to have amazing health benefits. I stumbled upon this recipe online. It promises 43 grams of protein and to clean your arteries. I'm a bit skeptical, but always up for trying new things, especially if they could be good for my health. Arterial health is a big deal, guys. Clogged arteries can lead to serious problems like heart attacks and strokes. It's hard to find foods that are good for you and taste great. Most healthy options seem boring or bland. Getting enough protein can be even tougher. You'd eat a lot of meat or take supplements, which isn't always appealing. One scary thing about arterial health is it can be a silent killer. You might not realize your arteries are clogging until it's too late. That's why I'm always looking for ways to keep my heart healthy. Exercise and diet are key, but knowing what to eat is hard. I've been doing some research. It seems the best way to keep arteries clear is with antioxidants and nitrates. These relax blood vessels and keep them clean. But who has time to cook a storm every day? That's where smoothies come in, quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. So, I was thrilled to find this smoothie recipe. It claims to do just that. It has ingredients for protein and arterial health. This smoothie includes frozen berries, packed with antioxidants, spinach, rich in nitrates, Greek yogurt for protein, a scoop of protein powder for 43g protein. Almond milk makes it creamy, and honey for sweetness. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen berries, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. Also, 1 scoop protein powder and 1/2 cup almond milk. Berries and spinach help with inflammation and blood flow. Protein powder and Greek yogurt help with muscle repair and fullness. I'm curious if this smoothie lives up to its claims. Okay, let's make this smoothie. Asterisk makes the smoothie asterisk. All right, here it goes. Asterisk takes a sip times. It's actually pretty good.